G'day everybody. So I'm trying to clean up some chrome wheels for my Suzuki. They're in pretty shit condition. They haven't been cleaned for a long time. Might be a little bit hard to see in this light, but they're pretty average. Okay, seen the videos about cleaning them with steel wool, and it's working really well. But I found something that might actually be really helpful. So that's the back wheel. Back wheel's been done. This is the front wheel. Now this front wheel, as you can see, hang on, let me get this side out of the way. Okay, you can see it's come up a tree, okay? And it didn't take me long at all. So using steel wool, obviously giving it a rub manually through doing it this way, you've all seen it before. However, to get in here, you're gonna wreck your knuckles, okay? So I had some old dowling lying around. I don't know what size it is, but I can show you very shortly. It's half dowling, okay, not the full dowling, but half dowling. And what I've done is I've broken two pieces off and I'll put it into a drill. Okay, so you can see that the steel wool, you can clamp it in the middle, and that comes in really handy. Now this is going to be pretty hard to do with one hand, but what will happen is that as this turns, okay, lock the clutch off obviously. Hang on guys, let me just try and get this for you. I'll do it this way. Alright, so lock the clutch off. Okay, the clutch is locked off, and all you do, okay, so once it's around the dowling, all you're doing guys, is you just okay, and you just go through and you just, work it around and get into all the nooks and crevices. It makes life so much easier. All you need to do is make sure that the dowling, when it's as a whole, okay, two pieces together, will actually fit in your drill. Okay, and I'm just using a battery operated drill. This took me probably half an hour, okay? Half an hour at max, and at the end of it, I probably had to go through and just give it a little bit of a touch up around the spoke areas. I think that if you use dowling, smaller size dowling, you could probably get in there. However, you wouldn't be able to push as hard because you would end up snapping the dowling. But guys and girls, I just thought that was a really handy trick, to make things a little bit easier when you're trying to clean off really grimy wheels. I still need to work on the spokes. That will be another job. But for now, that has saved me so much time, and I haven't even polished that yet. Okay, so you can see the shine out of it. I haven't even polished it, so looking forward to getting it all done and dusted. So there you go, gang. I just thought that would be really handy. Yeah, hope it works for you. Cheers, guys and girls.